To connect the SharePoint list to Power BI, follow these steps. Open Power BI Desktop. Launch the Power BI Desktop application on your computer. Get Data. In Power BI Desktop, go to the Home tab and click on Get Data to open the data source options. Choose SharePoint List. In the Get Data window, select More to view all available data connectors. Search for and select SharePoint Online List and click Connect. Enter SharePoint site URL. You'll be prompted to enter the URL of your SharePoint site. Paste the site URL and click OK. Authenticate. Sign in with your SharePoint credentials if prompted. Choose the appropriate authentication method based on your organization's setup. Select List. After authentication, a navigator window will display available lists on the SharePoint site. Select the list you want to import and click Load to bring the data into Power BI. Transform data. Optionally, use Power Query Editor to clean and transform the data if needed. Create reports. Once the data is loaded, you can start creating reports and visualizations using the data from your SharePoint list. Publish to Power BI service. To share reports, click Publish in Power BI Desktop to upload the report to the Power BI service.